What's up, friends? Good day and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to take down your kinky twist, detangle properly and experience minimal shedding, plus how I kept my scalp clean for the entire period. So if this sounds like what you're interested in, please keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is me showing you the tools that I need. These are just the combs that I need, and I used all of these combs, so if you have them, fine. The next one is my tea and my leave-in spray. Okay guys, I use this to help moisturize the hair before I even begin taking it down. Then the next one is my moisturizing leave-in conditioner. I made this myself, you guys. And then my herbal pomade. All right, let's get started. So this is what my hair was looking like. Should I use this in past tense or present tense? I don't know. So this is what the hair was looking like. Let me quickly show you guys what it's like without moisturizing my hair. Right, you could notice there is a friction there. When I'm trying to take it down, there is a friction, and if I continue to drag that friction, I might break my hair. So I'm going to use my leave-in conditioner now. That's leave-in conditioner spray. This works, you guys. This works so amazingly well. This was part of the things that I used to keep my hair moisturized throughout the entire period I carried this hair, honestly speaking, and I saw a difference. You definitely need to keep your hair moisturized in one way or the other. Please guys, it's important that you be gentle when you're taking down your hair, especially with kinky. You know how kinky love to marry, kinky extension especially love to marry with our own kinky hair because of this texture. So you have to be patient and gentle. So this dirt here, that's what I'll call it, right? This dirt at the roots, sometimes it can also cause breakage. But what I've noticed is that when you apply something like grease or whipped shea butter, why I say whipped shea butter is when you whip your shea butter, it becomes very light and fluffy. It can easily dissolve. So if you're applying, if you get to the root of your hair when taking down your protective styles, don't just go ahead and start dragging it unless it's very soft. If it's not soft, please use grease at the root. Once you use grease at the base of your hair, you're going to notice how it will easily separate. The magic there, it amazes me. It will just easily separate just like that. So then I'll go ahead and apply my leave-in conditioner, and then I will detangle with my finger. Gently detangling with my finger, you guys. It's important that you be gentle. Anyway, I made all of these products that I use, and look at how amazing they work. And this is the minimal shedding that I got from this particular hair. The step that I'm going to show next is exactly how I kept my hair moisturized the entire time. So for some weird reason, I used to forget to say subscribe to my channel. Not that I don't need it, I don't know why I used to forget. So you guys, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Please, I know that I'm asking for so many things at the same time. Please give me a thumbs up, okay you guys? I'm begging you, please give me a thumbs up. Comment, all right? Comment. Okay, let's play a game. If you want me to show the treatment that did those miracles to my scalp, put comment down below, and I will be sure to show it. I'm joking. I'll still show you whether you comment or not, but please comment, all right? It helps my channel a lot. Thank you. So this was how I took care of this hair during the period that I carried it. Okay, first I'll go in with this Ayurvedic spray on my scalp. Why I was putting it on my hair strands is because I want to moisturize the hair before I took it down. On a normal day, if I was not taking down this hair today, I used to put this Ayurvedic spray on my scalp, you guys. The scalp is the part that actually needed this treatment the most. So once I put the spray on my scalp, I will then massage it properly. Then I'll go in with that my Ayurvedic pomade and apply it on my scalp as well and massage it properly. You guys, I'm telling you, these steps should look at my scalp. After 4 weeks of carrying this hair, my scalp was looking very clean compared to 1 week after making this hair. Honestly speaking, I don't know why I didn't snap this picture. I didn't snap my hair before starting this treatment, you guys. So how I was taking care of my hair, I didn't do a video, but I'm going to tell you. Like I was saying, after putting the pomade on my scalp, I would then put my leave-in conditioning spray on my hair strands. But before then, I would still apply my Ayurvedic spray on my hair strands. Alright, I will spray the hairspray on my hair strands, and then I will now put the leave-in conditioning spray on it to seal it. And that is all, you guys. That was what I was doing, and I was not even consistent. So like, I was supposed to be doing it 2 or 3 times in a week. Sometimes I do 2 times in a week, sometimes I do once in a week, just according to when or how I remember. But at the end of the day, you guys, I saw a difference. I mean, normal me, I will not carry my head now and my scalp will still be looking this shiny. Oh God, which magic! And my scalp will still be looking this shiny. Honestly, I owe this to God and to Dima Okeke. It was from her channel that got the recipe for these 2 treatments that has been working wonders on my hair for the past 4 weeks. I'm going to make a video of this miracle treatment soon. I don't know how soon, but soon I'll definitely share with you sisters, because it worked amazing, and so I'm going to share it with you people. All right, so but for now, let's go back to taking down our hair. I want to show you guys my hair, what my hair was looking like before I started this treatment. I mean my edges, and what it was looking like now. Can you see the difference? You see, before and after. The difference is not so massive, but it's there. You can literally see that this hair grew. Even if it's just a little bit growth, there was something special about this treatment, you all. I'm not even joking, and you should try it. Don't worry, I'm going to share with you guys because I want you to also benefit from it, okay? So my loves, please remember to be gentle while taking down your hair, okay? It's very, very important. So once you finish losing the extension, you guys, please, we are trying to minimize breakage. You know why you finish carrying your hair for like 4 weeks, 6 weeks, and at the end of the day it looks like your hair is not growing? It is because when you're taking down your hair, you actually ripped off the growth that you experience. Just how do I put this thing now? Especially if your growth cycle is very, very minimal. Assuming you're growing 0.5 inches per month and you carried your hair for a week, and then why taking down your hair you are too harsh, and then you cut off ½ inch. Is just like, it's just too small, like too unnoticeable, but it's like a drop of water that gradually makes a mighty ocean. So if you keep maintaining those drop of water, before you know, your bowl will be filled. You get? Anyway, you guys, this is my own natural hair. This is my own natural hair, okay? So one day I decided to check my scalp, because I was treating it, And then when I finished losing taking the extension out, I didn't put it back again. I just twisted the hair like that. And you guys, it was just looking like the twist, except that it was softer. It was looking like the twist, the length, the shine, the darkness, the color, whatever. So yeah, that's basically it. So if you want to retain length after leaving your hair alone for like 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 2 months, please, when you're taking it down, be gentle. Honestly speaking, be gentle, because you're not going to see any results if you're too harsh. When you're taking it down, you're not patient and you rip off your hair, the growth that you must have accumulated is gone. All right. So these are the things that I realized, the things that I noticed made a difference when I was taking down my hair. Apply grease at the roots of your hair once you loosen the extension, or you loosen your hair, whichever one. Even if you did not use extension, those grease, I don't know what I'll call it, dirt, they will still settle at the roots of your hair. So use grease to loosen that first before you go in with your leave-in conditioner, and then use your hand to detangle your hair properly before you go in with a comb. I will not advise that you wait until you finish losing the entire head before combing it, if you're going to comb it. Some people prefer to use their hand to detangle. The same goes if you're going to use your hand or comb, whichever one. I will not advise that you wait until you finish losing the entire hair. I would advise or recommend that you do it at a go. Like if you losing one, treat that one. Okay, take care of it. Take care of it. Like detangle it, comb it or finger detangle, whichever one, and then keep it out of the way. Okay, making it this way is not going to feel bulky, right? It's not going to feel too heavy that you will not lose your patience when trying to detangle it, and Anyway, this is my mouth full. I hope that you learned something from this video, you guys. I hope that you learned something. Before I did this voiceover, I almost gave up. Honestly speaking, I said, no, let me just do it. So when I got to a knot, I introduced my rat tail comb, gently use my rat tail comb to loosen the knot before I go ahead and comb it out. Okay. So by the time I was done with the entire process, this is what my hair was looking like. Quickly again, let's look at the scalp again. You guys, look at how shiny. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at how shiny my scalp was looking like after 4 weeks. Ah! So this is the remaining of my leave-in conditioner. Look at what was left. The same with my hairspray and my leave-in conditioning spray, and this was what my shaded hair looked like. The entire, it's not much. Let me open it for you guys so that you will see that it's not much. It's not much at all. After 4 weeks, when you're supposed to be shedding 100 strands, 50 to 100 strands, is it daily or weekly? And then after 4 weeks, you're shedding that kind of thing. It's very, very okay. And this is the back, how the back was looking. It was looking so juicy. Thank you guys for watching my video. I'm going to see you in my next one. Ciao, ciao. Take care of yourself.